To San Marcos?
Yeah.
I don't know. So we stopped at this dock. Apparently it's in construction. Apparently I completely wet Derek's seat. It was filled with water. I didn't know how filled it was until we docked, and then I noticed he was pretty much, he had a pool going on. I apologize. Hopefully he doesn't stay too upset with me. I think he's gonna turn over the boat. And I am aquaphobic, so for the most part, this beautiful view. You hear roosters in the background. There's a couple guys that we thought were coming this way, but ended up going the other way. One of them had a machete. Yeah. I'm not gonna say how long though. Just can't take out the water on the kayak.